If you are leading teams where some devs are smarter and better coders than you're not alone. I've been there, and here's the truth. Your job is not to be the best developer, it's to bring out the best in the people around you. When I first became a tech lead, I tried to prove I knew everything, but it became obvious, fast, that I didn't, especially when I was asked to lead senior devs with more than 10 years of deep technical knowledge. The turning point? I was focused on working on complex stories to prove my worth to the team, but we were missing all the delivery goals. My mentor noticed this and told me to stop trying to impress the team and start leading the team. From that point on, I focused on people and strategy, and the team actually respected me more. Too many new tech leads think they need to outcode everyone. That's a myth. Your real value is in seeing the big picture, removing blockers, developing your team, making sure decisions are aligned with the business. Before I give you 5 practical tips, can you help me with a like? Thank you. First tip, be honest about what you don't know. I can assure you, the team already knows your strengths and weaknesses. Saying, I don't know, or what do you think, is a leadership move, not a weakness. Use their strength, don't compete. Leverage your experts, invite their ideas in architecture, tooling, design. Let them shine, and they will trust you more. Stop coding. For me, choosing to stop coding gives me the bandwidth to lead. I focus on feedback, communication, and strategy. That's what leaders are supposed to focus on. Ask smart questions. You don't need to know everything, but you must ask sharp questions. How will this scale? What risk are we accepting? That's how you add value. Focus on people and alignment. Tech leads don't scale through code. You scale through people, mentorship, clarity, shared goals. That's how great teams win. You don't have to be the smartest person in the room. You have to be the most aligned, the one who helps others thrive. If you're a new tech lead, I got a free step-by-step guide on how to make performance evaluations. Link in the description. And if this video helped you, subscribe. This channel is all about helping you lead with confidence, clarity, and real impact.